dang! Hey! God!
On September 2nd, 2017, Lufkin police arrested 33-year-old Tasha Sponsler for shoplifting as she was being led to the police car and officers calculating stolen items' value. Sponsler suddenly made a quick move on the officers.
Yeah, about that. God dang! Hey! God! What the hell?
Sponsler took the police cruiser and led officers on a 23-minute pursuit before being halted by a pit maneuver.
Bust no weapons on him. Bust the window. Bust the window.
Where's the window punch? Window punch!
Window punch! Window punch! Window punch!
Keep it covered. Cover, cover.
Cover, I got cover. Get down.
Sponsler's actions turned a shoplifting charge into multiple severe offenses, including evading arrest with a vehicle, escape that caused injury or threatened deadly force, and unauthorized vehicle use revealing poor judgment. Sponsler turned down a 16-year prison plea deal, choosing a jury trial instead, which resulted in a 45-year prison sentence.